Okay, then let's see here. So today we will learn about the types of fraction. Okay, types of fraction. Okay,
Yes, sir.
hmm. The first type is like fraction. Okay, like
Yes, sir.
fraction. So what do you know about the like fraction? Yes, tell me.
Sir, like fractions. Sir, like fractions are fractions that have the same denominator.
Hmm.
Sir, you have done this. Like
We in the first class we did just for revision. Okay,
oh
here we will learn it in detail types of fraction one by one. Okay,
yes, sir.
so it was just the revision of the fourth class. So before starting the fifth class fraction, we did the revision of the fourth class fraction. Okay, now we
Oh
are starting the fifth class fraction. Okay, so in that one,
yes,
first we have to learn about the types of fraction in detail. Okay.
yes,
So
sir.
here it's a like fraction, right?
Yes,
It's a like fraction. So what do you know about the like fraction?
sir. Like fractions are fractions that have the same denominator.
Yes, we can say that a set of fraction with a or in which denominator of each fraction is the same. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but we can say that.
We can say that the like fractions are the fractions that have the same are a group of fractions that have the
Very
same
good.
denominator.
Yes. Hmm. Yes. So we can say that a set of or a group of fractions, right?
Yes, sir.
A group of fractions in which what we will say,
In which the denominators are same in every fraction.
no, yes, denominators in which denominators of fractions are same, right?
Yes, sir.
Are same. That group or that set will be known as the set of like fractions. Okay, as an example here we can say that 3 by 7, 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 2 by 7, 1 by 7 are like fractions, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
The second thing is unlike fraction. What is the unlike
Unlike fraction.
fractions? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let's see here what is unlike fractions. What we can say that a group of
Yes, sir.
fractions in which denominators are terms of fractions. What we will say, denominator of fractions are different, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that group of fraction will be known as unlike fraction. Okay, as an example what we can say that if 3 by 11, 8 by 2, okay, 9 by 4, 7 by 2, okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Or here write 7 by 5, for avoiding the confusion. Okay, for here. Is it clear? Or we can say that 6 by 15, okay, are unlike fractions. Okay, unlike
Yes, sir.
fractions. Is it clear, Nadia, or any doubt till here?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, are you writing?
No, sir.
Okay, then please write now. And if there will be any doubt, then please.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So, so is there any doubt?
No, sir.
So we can say that na ki fractions with same denominator are called
Are like fractions.
same denominator.
Sir, like fractions.
And the denominators with the fraction with different denominators called
Unlike fractions.
unlike fraction. Is it clear?
Yes,
Or
sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now let's see here the third one. The third type. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, it's unit fraction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Unit fractions.
Yes.
So what do you know about the units fraction?
Sir, unit fractions are fractions that
Hmm?
has one as an a group of fraction that have one has the numerator.
Numerator. Very good, dear. But it's a need of some corrections. Okay. So let's see here. What we say, ki a fraction with numerator 1 with numerator 1 is called unit fraction. Okay, unit fraction. Is it clear? So as an example we can say that 1 by 5, 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 1 by 7, okay, etc. are unit fractions. Okay, unit
Yes, sir.
fractions. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear or any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
If there is any doubt, then please tell me.
Yes, sir, no doubt.
Okay, so first of all please note down it, then we will continue with the next one.
Yes, sir. Sir, if
Yeah,
it's a unit fraction, it's always proper fraction, right?
what?
If it's unit fraction, it's also proper fraction, right?
Very good. But there is a special case where unit fraction will may also be a improper fraction. Okay. So when we will learn the improper and proper, I will explain this point at that time again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
the what is the yeah, we will discuss about the that exceptional case. Okay, where unit fraction is also a improper fraction, but in most unit fraction is also a proper fraction. Okay, very good, dear. Yes,
sir,
tell me. Huh?
and 0 by 1 does not exist, right?
0 by 1, yeah, it will exist. 1 by 0 will not exist. Na denominator should not be 0. Numerator
Yes,
can
sir.
be 0. Numerator can be 0. See here, if it is 0 by 1 means it's mean 0 will be divided by 1, right?
Yes, sir.
0 will be divided by 1. So in how many times? 0 times. 1 0 is a 0. So here answer will be 0. So 0 by 1 will be 0. 0 by 2 will be 0. Okay, 0 by any number it will be 0. Okay, but
Yes.
any number divided by 0 or in denominator 0, then that fraction will not exist because we can't divide it, right? We already learned these things in our first class, right?
Yes, sir.
But for now, please note down all these things. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, then please do it, dear. Note down. Yes, so now we will learn the fourth type, okay?
Yes, sir.
The fourth type, that is proper fraction, okay?
Yes, sir.
Proper fractions. So what do you know about the proper fraction?
Sir, proper
Hmm.
fraction means fractions that have is
A
numerator is
fraction,
smaller than.
yes, a fraction whose numerator is smaller than denominator, right?
Yes, sir.
Denominator. That type of fraction is known as proper fraction, okay? So
Yes,
as an
sir.
example, we can write 5 by 11, okay? 1 by 2, 7 by 9, okay?
Yes, sir.
11 by 15, okay? These all are unit fractions. Is it clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No.
If there is any doubt, then please tell me.
No, sir.
Now let's see here improper fraction. Okay, the fifth one is, the fourth one was proper fraction. Now it's improper fraction. Okay,
Yes, sir.
improper fractions. So what do you know about the improper fraction?
Sir, improper fraction means fractions that have
Hmm?
uh
A fraction
so when the denominator is the
whose
numerator and the numerator is the denominator.
what, numerator is denominator and denominator is numerator. What is this?
Sir, when the
What it's
numerator
mean?
sir, when the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Yes, it's just opposite to proper fraction, okay? A fraction whose numerator is greater than, okay?
Yes, sir.
Greater than or equal to, okay? Or equal
Yes, sir.
to its denominator, okay?
Yes, sir.
Denominator. Is it clear? As an example, let's see here. 11 by 8, 7 by 5, okay? 3 by
Yes,
2,
sir.
okay? 20 by 17, like this, okay?
Yes, sir.
You can take 15 by 15. So these
Yes, sir.
all are improper fraction, okay? Now there is an additional information which you have to keep in mind. See here, 15 by 15, this 15 by 15, okay? The last one.
Yes, sir.
So when we will get 15 by 15, its value will be, its
One
value will
equal.
be 1. Yes, very good, dear. Okay. So as you can see, this one can be also written as 1 by 1. We can write it now.
Yes, sir.
So that's why at that time I told you कि there is an exceptional fraction which is unit fraction and improper fraction, but rest all are, most all are fractions come under proper fraction. The unit fractions come under proper fraction, okay? As an example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 7, 1 by 11, all these are proper fraction. But when it will be only 1, then this one can be written as 1 by 1, right? So as you
Yes,
can
sir.
see, the numerator and denominator are same, are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Numerator is equal to its denominator, so it will come under the improper fraction. This is the exceptional case, okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? But all these are proper fractions. All these are, see here, okay? All these are proper fractions. So all these are unit fraction as well as proper fraction. But there is an exceptional case which is unit fraction as well as improper fraction. Okay. So this is the exceptional case. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Hmm.
but otherwise is but otherwise other than one by one, it's just one, right?
Yes. 1 by 1 means 1 now.
Yes,
1
sir.
by 1 means 1. And when we have to write it in the form of fraction, then how we will write it? Again 1 by 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Because we know that when we will divide the number by 1, we will get the same number as it is, right?
Yes, sir.
So this one can be written as 1 by 1, and this one is unit fraction. As you can see, numerator is 1. But it is also improper fraction because here numerator is equal to its denominator, okay? It will not come under proper fraction, okay?
Sir, but how,
So
sir, will it come under proper fraction?
what?
Because it is a proper fraction.
What?
Sir, 1 by 1 is a proper fraction, right, sir?
Why it will be a proper fraction?
Sir, I don't
Here
understand
see,
how is the improper
see.
fraction? One is also equal, denominator is also
See
equal.
what we learned in the definition of improper fraction. The fraction whose numerator should be greater or equal to its denominator. So if the numerator will be equal to its denominator, then it will become improper fraction, na? So that's why.
Yes, sir.
Simple. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
Or any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Then first note down proper fraction and then note down improper fraction. Okay?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear? And no need to note down all these points. These are just for explanation. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Yeah. So please note down first proper fraction. When you will done, then please tell me. I will scroll for the improper fraction. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Please do it.